Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Pipedrive, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you stop syncing for an email address in your Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to stop syncing your emails in Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some of your email accounts end up getting a lot of spam, so maybe you want to stop syncing it into your Pipedrive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to stop one of your email addresses from syncing into your Pipedrive, what you're going to do is here on the top right, click on your profile icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to look for this button here, company settings. It looks like a gear icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu here on the left, and you want to look for this button here called email sync. It looks like a little envelope. Okay, so here you're going to see all of the email addresses you have synced up with your Pipedrive. You can see it just have one email address. So if you have more than one email address, here in the section, you're going to see the different email boxes you have. Make sure you're working in the correct one. You'll just click on the email box. After that, it's going to open up this window that's going to show the settings for that one particular email account. Now, if you want to pause or stop the syncing for this email address, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this section, account management. So you actually have two different options. You can simply stop syncing, or if you're not going to use this account at all, you can remove the account. For me, I'm going to go ahead and stop syncing. Okay, so Pipedrive lets you know right here that once you stop syncing, you're not going to receive any other emails from this email address into your Pipedrive. But also, if you have any automation set up with this email address, they're not going to go through. So if you wish to have those automations set up, you'll have to change the email address. If you're okay with that, click on stop syncing. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see this email address has now been disconnected, so it's no longer going to be syncing with my Pipedrive account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to stop syncing your email address into your Pipedrive, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.